Welcome to Crusher Evo. Let's show you how to use your new headphones. If you're looking for a specific feature, you can skip ahead in this video using these time codes. To turn on your headphones, press the power button for 3 seconds. To turn off your headphones, press the power button for 3 seconds. To pair to your device for the first time, power on your headphones using the power button. They will enter pairing mode automatically the first time you power them up. Now, turn on your device's Bluetooth and look for Crusher Evo in your list of available Bluetooth devices. Select Crusher Evo and accept any pair or OK prompts that appear on your screen. When pairing is complete, a voice prompt will say connected. To pair a new device when the headphones are powered off, press the power button for 5 seconds to enter pairing mode. The voice prompt will say pairing, and you can select Crusher Evo from the Bluetooth device list. Crusher Evo has a full suite of controls to keep you connected without having to touch your phone. To play or pause your music, press the main button once. To turn up the volume, press the top button. To turn down the volume, press the bottom button. To skip a song forward, press the top button for 3 seconds. To skip a song backward, press the bottom button for 3 seconds. Crusher Evo features the latest evolution of the patented Skullcandy Crusher sensory bass experience. Inside your Crusher Evo headphones are powerful audio drivers, along with haptic technology. Haptics are the vibrations you sometimes feel when interacting with buttons on a device like your phone. In the case of Crusher Evo, the haptic vibration in the ear cups is triggered by bass frequencies from your music or movies. The sensation transmitted to your head and ears from those haptic vibrations is what we mean by music you can feel. That's the heart of Crusher, and you can only get it with Skullcandy. To adjust the level of Crusher bass, use the slider on the back of the left ear cup. Slide it down for a more mellow bass experience. Slide it up if you really want to feel the maximum power of the bass and the most immersive experience. To take a call, press the main button once. You can also end the call by pressing the main button once. To reject a call, press the main button for 3 seconds. To activate your device's assistant, press the main button 2 times. To charge your headphones, plug in the USB-C charge cable and connect to a computer, wall charger, power bank, or 12-volt adapter in a car. The headphone LED will be solid red while charging. The LED will turn green when fully charged. On a full charge, you will get up to 40 hours of playtime. Crusher Evo is also designed with rapid charge, which means that just 10 minutes of charging will give you 4 hours of playtime. When your battery has less than 30 minutes of playtime left, a voice prompt will notify you, battery low, and the LED will flash red every 10 seconds. If you're using your headphones with an Apple device, you can check their battery life on the shortcut screen when they're connected to your device. To make sure you never lose your headphones, we've built tile finding technology into Crusher Evo. The tile finding feature is easy to set up through the Tile app and will allow you to ring or locate your headphones if you ever misplace them or if they're taken. First, you'll need to download the Tile app for this feature to work. Once you've downloaded the Tile app, follow the on-screen instructions to connect your headphones. Crusher Evo is also compatible with the Skullcandy app. You can use the app to activate the personal sound feature, alternate between preset EQ modes, assist in pairing, and access additional user guides or troubleshooting help. Here's how you reset Crusher Evo if you have pairing difficulties. First, remove your headphones from your device's Bluetooth paired list. Now, press and hold the top and bottom buttons simultaneously for 2 seconds. The LED will flash purple. A voice prompt will then say "disconnected," and then the headphones will go into pairing mode. The LED will then flash blue and red, and a voice prompt will say "pairing." At this time, turn on your device's Bluetooth and look for Crusher Evo in your list of available Bluetooth devices. Select Crusher Evo and accept any pair or OK prompts that appear on your screen. When pairing is complete, a voice prompt will say "connected." Thank you for joining Skullcandy fans everywhere and using Crusher Evo.